Everybody, it's Blaine here, Rocky Mountain Honda Powerhouse. Today I'm going to show you how another segment of how I like to race prep my 450R for the racing season. Today I'm going to show you hand guards. I think hand guards are important. I personally like them. It does two things, especially in Alberta. It keeps the cold weather off your fingers when you're riding in the spring or the fall and it gets pretty cold. Keeps that wind off the fingers and keeps them from getting numb, as well as obviously the roost guards. Keeps the roost and rocks off your fingers. So the line I like to use is the Cycler line of hand guards. We carry these at Rocky Honda, but we've got many other models and versions that we can get. The reason I like the Cycler line is there's three simple pieces. There's two pieces, the bracket, there's the bottom piece and the top piece, and then there's the hand guard itself that just simply screws onto this one bracket. So I'll quickly mount this to the bar and show you how that goes on. Basically, the bottom bracket's going to go on the bottom. The top piece goes on the top. Pretty simple. Get a screw going here. Just like that. Going on this side. Just like that. And that's all there is to it. Now you've got good wind protection, good roost protection, ready for the racing season.